For more than 75 years, Rohde & Schwarz has been synonymous with innovation and passion, quality and reliability. The fourth generation of signal and spectrum analyzers remains true to these principles. Experience a new dimension of signal and spectrum analyzers with the Rohde & Schwarz FSW. Easy and flexible? Touch and explore. High resolution with 12.1 inches. This is the Rohde & Schwarz FSW touchscreen. The Rohde & Schwarz FSW simultaneously displays multiple measurement applications, allowing you to view all results at a glance. Test parameters can be edited right where they're displayed. It couldn't be easier. Tools like the Smart Grid make navigation easy. Configuring the screen to your specific needs? Nothing could be simpler. Just drag and drop to get all signals to the right place. Each result is displayed in a separate diagram. This facilitates analysis for the operator. You can scale window sizes to your specific requirements. The Smart Grid helps you to arrange the screen to your needs. Even complex measurements can be perfectly organized to keep track of all aspects. Graphic elements make operation intuitive. The signal flow is represented in a block diagram, allowing you to easily navigate to the desired function or setting. Just click the function block. This will take you directly to your target menu. For example, switch on a trigger and define the gating function. Frequently used functions are accessible via hard keys. The Rohde & Schwarz FSW offers the perfect operating concept. Navigation is optimized to get you anywhere you want in only a few simple steps. Straightforward and organized. Get the whole picture with everything in view. To follow the right course, you must keep an eye on many things. Individual objects, details, general conditions and ambient effects. The Rohde & Schwarz FSW provides all of this. It turns into your personal navigator thanks to its multi-view function. Overall spectrum, adjacent channel power, modulation, and code domain power. The Rohde & Schwarz FSW shows you all the aspects of a signal at a glance. Multi-standard and multitasking. Understand interactions, eliminate interference. Listening to solo performers is pleasant. But do the members of a band play in harmony? The Rohde & Schwarz FSW is the first analyzer on the market to simultaneously measure and display different signals at different frequencies. It shows signal interactions at a glance. You know there's interference on an LTE signal, but what is the cause? Is interference caused by a neighboring GSM signal? A look at the Rohde & Schwarz FSW screen will show you. The integrated multi-standard radio analyzer visualizes interference so that you can eliminate the source. All measurements are carried out at the same time. The Rohde & Schwarz FSW offers multi-standard and multitasking functionality at 160 MHz demodulation bandwidth. You can simultaneously measure your signals rapidly. Fast and accurate. Benefit from a new level in RF performance. Solve complex measurement tasks. Whether in the aerospace and defense sector or in the wireless industry, the Rohde & Schwarz FSW is the perfect tool to solve your measurement tasks. The FSW offers unmatched phase noise performance of -137 dBc at 10 kHz offset from a 1 GHz carrier. This excellent figure provides reliable, high-precision measurements close to the carrier. With 160 MHz demodulation bandwidth, the Rohde & Schwarz FSW is perfectly equipped to meet the challenges of the future. For example, measurements to wireless LAN 802.11 AC. You will also benefit from the wide analysis bandwidth when linearizing amplifiers. It lets you correct intermodulation far from the carrier and optimize the components of your system. The analyzer's high speed comes into play when measuring spurious emissions from systems. The Rohde & Schwarz FSW is 5 times as fast as conventional analyzers. The FSW offers even more outstanding RF performance. Here are a few key figures: 88 dB dynamic range for wideband CDMA ACLR measurements, minus 173 dBm per hertz displayed average noise level, and a 35 dBm third-order intercept. Discover what was hidden before. Fast and simple. Stable and reliable. Create the future with the Rohde & Schwarz FSW Signal and Spectrum Analyzer.